Good morning, friends. A little cold out this morning. 21 degrees right now. About 7:50 a.m. I want to show you guys and girls the project. This here Lincoln is gonna get donated. All the whole drivetrain will be donated to this Ranchero. So this 92 Lincoln Mark VII, get on the other side of the light. We're gonna have to clean up this spot and make a section to do the swap, and then we'll move into the garage to get it going. But I want to do the major work right out here. This 91 Lincoln has the 5-liter 302 HO fuel injected AOD 4-speed automatic overdrive and the 8.8-inch rear end with the 327 gears and the 5 lug, all that going over here. 1970 Ford Ranchero, and I got a GT hood coming. It's in the city right now, but yeah, it needs a lot of work. I have all the parts though. I gotta clean this up really well, put it together. I gotta get some glass. I got most of the glass except for that cracked windshield. I gotta order another one because that was good. But the 9-inch, so I had questions from my friends on YouTube, my friends online on the interwebs. This 9-inch rear end, I've confirmed it is real. Should I use that instead of the 8.8 over there? And then should I leave it fuel injected, or should I do the carb swap and simplify things? And I think it'll have more pep, more power with a dual plane carburetor, you know, and a 4-barrel versus the EFI. But that's what we got the internet for, and we can ask our friends. So I gotta put the dash, I gotta put the seats, we got flooring, we need all that. A little surface rust. Car's damn solid though. Got some doors off of GT. Same hood comes off of that same orange GT. It's a GT hood. And everything's good in here. So this car is pretty damn good shape. It needs paint. So would y'all paint it first or just build the damn thing and then drive it to the paint shop? Or would you take it to the paint shop and then build it after? I'm unclear how to do this. I came out here to Brothers Ranch to build it up. Y'all want to hear this one? Yeah, let's set y'all up to hear this one. Put my coffee down, sir. Right here. Let's see. She's a mess. She's a mess. It's got 130,000 miles. Let's see. She wants to start up on this cold morning. Let's see that. 131,000 miles. A little bit of gas. Let's see. Woo. My burgundy bitch, I call her Gina. Gina's from Texas. Antenna still works. She got no masters. The muffler delete